going on, people? Back with my Dodge Charger Scat Pack. Yeah, had some problems with my steering rack after I had the car for about 3 or 4 days. I called the dealer because my steering had lost all of my power steering. I called the dealer. They told me to check the fluid levels. So I jacked the car up because the reservoir is supposed to be up under here. You gotta take the wheel off and take that panel off, and the reservoir is supposed to be right there. So I did it for nothing because there's no reservoir. Because my steering rack is all electric. It's no power steering fluid reservoir anywhere. So I had to replace that power steering rack. They replaced it. Did a pretty good job on it. The steering is good, but it has to be reset now. I got to go back to the dealer because the light is on and have it reset. I'm trying to see if they're going to try to charge me $3,000 or $4,000 just to do that, because they wanted $3,800 to replace the steering rack. But I had a warranty, so I didn't have to pay for that. So I'm gonna see what they talk about. You know, that dealership, they're gonna get you if they can. If you really don't know what's going on, they're gonna get you. If you really don't know. But I always do my research on the parts, how much the parts cost and how much the labor costs. Yeah, you can see the carbon fiber I put on the doors. And I put it in the back. It's not enough light. It's really black. This black leather is really dark. It's not enough light to see anything. Let's see if I can add a little more light. That's a little bit more. But anyway, I had the steering rack replaced. Steering is fine, but I got a warning light on the dash saying service power steering. So I guess the sensors have to be reset. And I'm going to take it to the dealer on the 23rd of May. And I'll come back with the video, tell you how much they try to charge for it. Because I know it's going to be, because I think they charge like $157 just to check it out. I already know what's wrong. It's just got to be reset. They got to put the scanner on the OBD port and reset it, and that's it. But they're going to try to say something else is wrong. I guarantee you that. I'm not going for it, man. I'm not going for it. Not at all. Yeah, you see the blue with that cold air intake, the blue catch can. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna check them out. Going to Whitten Brothers. I'm gonna load in Turnpike in Richmond, Virginia. See if they're gonna be honest. If they treat me fairly and give me the correct price, I'm gonna come back on YouTube and tell you exactly how much they charged and how the service was. Hopefully, it's positive. I'm always thinking positive. Hopefully, it's positive. But car's riding fine. The steering is perfect. There's nothing wrong with the steering. And plus, I gotta have my air sensor set, because it's saying that have the wrong size rims and tires on it. It just got to be reset because putting new tires on there, and I'm gonna see how much they charge for that. Gotta have all of that stuff done to get those lights out. I don't like riding around with lights on, so I want to take care of them. Anyway, I'm gonna do a little cold start. That's loud. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the car on the other side of the garage for my wife just had to back straight back because I got a trailer sitting out there. I'll just put it on this side. All right, people. Y'all be good. Have a blessed one.